Hello everybody. Today we are going to be exploring a rather interesting letter from the English alphabet, the letter Y. Did you know that the letter Y is one of the most tricky letters of the English alphabet? Why, you ask? That's because the letter Y can behave both as a consonant as well as a vowel. And that's exactly what I'm going to be talking about in this video. We all know that Y makes the Y sound. Let's take a few examples of some words where Y makes the Y sound. Yellow, yak, yacht. Now if you notice, these words start with the letter Y, and in these words the letter Y is making the Y sound. Y, yellow, Y, yak, Y, yacht. So typically, at the beginning of the word, the Y makes the consonant Y sound. However, Y also has two vowel sounds. Sometimes Y makes the I sound, and sometimes Y makes the E sound. Let's explore a few words where Y behaves like a vowel. Usually, in a single syllable word, the Y at the end of the word makes the I sound. Now, let's consider a few examples to establish this rule. Let's take the words cry, fly. Are these single syllable words? Cry, fry. Yeah, these two are single syllable words. Try. And you can, of course, come up with more such words. These are all single syllable words. They all end with the letter Y. And Y in these words is making the I sound. Cry, fry, try. All are single syllable words. Y at the end of these words is making the I sound. So, in this case, typically Y will make the I sound. Now, when there is a two-syllable word, and again Y is at the end of the word, in that case, Y makes the E sound. Let's take a few examples. Let's take the word baby. And let's take one more word. Say another word that ends with a Y, city. Okay. Now let's take these two words, baby and city. Are these two-syllable words? Let's figure it out. Baby. Yes, it is. City. Yes, it is. Another word is coming to my mind. Sorry. Sorry. All these three words are double syllable or two syllable words. Baby, city, sorry. Yeah. And now look at these words carefully. What do you see? These words end with the letter Y. And the letter Y in this case will make the E sound. So Y is multi-talented. It can be a consonant as well as a vowel. Let's practice now with a few more words. In a single syllable word, when Y is at the end of the word, it makes the I sound. So let's take a few more examples of this case. We've already considered a few. I'm just adding a few more for you to practice. Fly. Can you think of some words? You can go on and make your own list as I share this one with you. Fly, my. We've already done try, we've already done cry, shy, sty. All these are single syllable words and they end with a Y. We can always figure out if Y will make the I sound or not by figuring out if this word is a single syllable word or not. Another word that's coming to my mind is guy. Now, let's take examples of two syllable words when Y at the end of the word makes the E sound. We've already done city and baby. Daddy, buddy, we've already done sorry, paddy. Now check, are these double syllable words or two syllable words? Daddy, buddy, paddy, yummy. That's right, they're all two syllable words and Y at the end will make the E sound. And finally, when Y behaves like a consonant and makes the Y sound, a few examples are you, your, young, yawn. And you can add some more to the list. I hope you had fun learning such interesting things about the letter Y. I'll now see you again in another video with a few more interesting spelling rules and other interesting things from the English language. Bye-bye.